Hi, my name is Melinda, and I am coming to you from the Huntington Apartments, located in the beautiful Huntington Beach. Come on in. This is my lovely studio with one bath. As you can see, it is extra large. Looking into our entryway, you're gonna find that it does have lots of storage, which is amazing. So you're not gonna have any problems finding where to put stuff. This will actually lead into what I like, because not a lot of times you find a full-size kitchen in a studio, much less a studio that has all the appliances. Beautiful GE appliances, they're all full size, has a lot of cabinet space, lots and lots of cabinet space. My fave is the pantry. You can never have enough space in your pantry, which is awesome. Has a beautiful kitchen window, so when you're doing your dishes, you actually have somewhere to look out into. We're gonna lead you back into the living room space, leading you off. So living room space, AC, even though this apartment does have great cross breeze because of the kitchen window as well as the patio, we still offer you a AC on for those hot, warm summer days. Come on out here. Let me show you the beautiful yard. Great space for patio furniture, or for those that are pet friendly. We do take dogs and cats. So this is perfect for those people that will be bringing a larger sized dog or a medium sized dog. My fave, because the alcove for me is awesome. The fact that you can have a bed, up to a queen size bed, and not have it take up your living space is amazing. You can do it two different ways. You can actually close it off with a tension rod, or organize your furniture in a way where it closes it off. My favorite part is to treat it like a loft. I always love the fact that I like to showcase my bed. I love showing off my pillows, and just the fact that it is out in the open and you're just showcasing your bedroom. Has a lot of storage space. Once again, good sized closet. Good space for a dresser, closet, which leads into the vanity area. The vanity area is, quite large for a 530 square feet studio, but what I like about it, that it has, once again, a more storage space, lots of cabinets, lots of drawers. It's just amazing. And then it leads onto the bathroom area, which is also a good size. Provides you with a nice heating lamp for those cold evenings. Coming on back here, as we exit the apartment, I just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing me to show you our beautiful studio here at the Huntington Apartments.